Coming up to date, the newest and most expensive super yachts, reserved exclusively for the world's elite, are coming to Hercule Harbor to join the Monaco Yacht Show 2017. Monaco Yacht Show 2017. On the picture is quite essential with a length of 55 meters and a maximum capacity of 12 passengers and 6 cabins. There is a gym with state-of-the-art equipment, a sauna, spa, and spacious bedrooms. The sunbathing area also features a jacuzzi with panoramic ocean views, a small dining table and a bar. The yacht's price is $43 million. Monaco Yacht Exhibition is one of the largest and most prestigious yachting exhibitions in the world. On the picture is Sea Lion, costs $39 million. Boats have a maximum speed of 17 knots. Sea Lion is like a luxury oceanfront hotel with a capacity of 12 passengers and 16 crew. The cabin has 6 luxury cabins. The interior of the train was completed by Gary McDermott, who specializes in interior design for world stars. This is also the most anticipated exhibition of the yacht industry, which showcases the latest designs of world-class shipyards. Oasis, one of the most successful and famous yachts in the world. Its price is $39 million, serving up to 12 passengers with 6 cabins. There is also a sunbathing area, a gymnasium, a modern jacuzzi, a BBQ party, an outdoor dance floor, a bar, a movie theater. This is a rocky boat with a sporty and smooth design. It was introduced as a combination of modernity and comfort. The ship is estimated to cost $36 million. Rock is trying to prove to the world that it is the leading cruiser with a voyage through Central America and the Galapagos Islands. The exhibition is an annual event that takes place in September. This year, the 27th Yacht Show will begin from September 27 to September 30. On the photo is Legend, not only a super yacht, but also acts as an icebreaker. Thanks to this outstanding design, Legend can go to the most remote seas in the world. On the train there is a gym, spa, swimming pool, cinema, and can serve up to 26 passengers. Organizers estimate this year's show attracted about 33,000 participants. The average price of yachts attending this year's show is about $32 million. On the picture is Skyfall with a length of 57 meters and $26 million. The vessel has a maximum speed of 21 knots. Interior design aboard the famous architect Patrick Napoleon. The vessel can serve 17 other at the same time with 7 luxury cabins. Sarah Star sailing yacht 60 meters long, launched in July. The interior of the boat is considered elegant with 3 main materials are jade, gem and silk. This masterpiece is completed under the talented hands of famous designer Luca Dini. The boat has 3 decks. Bedroom windows are designed to capture optimum natural light. Eleanor has just been repaired in 2017 and is rated in perfect condition. The boat has 5 cabins, a large sun terrace with a modern jacuzzi,